Hello and welcome back to Forex Investment Group. In this video, we are going to talk about the intraday 50, or in short, an ID50 entry point. This is one of the most common points in the institutional market maker method, but a lot of people fails to actually implement it. So in this video, we are going to simplify how you see this particular entry and make use of it to make some profits in your trading. Without further ado, let's jump right into the content. So the first thing that I want to do is to define what an ID50 is. So basically, I have several EMAs on my charts, and you can as well get this particular template if you request via Telegram. I'll provide you for free. In this template, there are EMAs, the 5, 13, 250 and 800, but the one that we are interested in is the 50 EMA. As we've said, the entry type is called intraday 50 or ID50. So we're going to use this this 50 EMA as well as the traders dynamic index. So when we say an ID50, it's basically a point whereby we have obtained what we call a peak formation high, peak formation low, or basically a peak formation, a peak reset. How do we get these peaks and validate the market maker side or market maker direction? That is where most people actually find everything being subjective and being very difficult. But I have a very simple concept that you can use and utilize. This is actually a promise that if you manage to do all the steps that I'll talk about, you will definitely see some results. Before we continue, please join our free trading community where we share free signals, free trading advice, as well as setups. The link is right down in the description box below. Be part of the winning community. Trade at least 10 trades using this particular concept, and if you do not get some results, you are definitely doing something wrong. So how do we validate these peaks? The first thing is to actually go on the H4 time frame. The H4 time frame gives us the points of midweek reversals. These black traces on the H4 time frame are basically start and end of a week. So this was the high of this particular week, and this was the low. This was a consolidation, high, low, high, in this case, low, and so forth. So how do we find these highs and lows of the week? So basically, these highs and lows usually coincide with the institutional market maker peaks, right? So how do we find them? We use the traders dynamic index to get what we call the shark fin. When we have something like this, or something like this, we actually have a probable point where we term shark fin. So in this particular case, when we get a shark fin on the H4 time frame, it is a probable point of peak formation high or peak formation low. Like in this particular case, there was a shark fin, therefore this was a higher probability point of peak formation. We had one, we had another one. I'm not going to come back to these points for the sake of shortening this video so that it won't be tedious. So after marking the points, or after obtaining, like in this case, current price is a possible point of peak formation high that is actually being issued on USD CHF, since there is a shark fin on the H4 time frame. So if we have these, the next thing is now to go on the H1 time frame. On the H1 time frame, what do we need? We need to see a 1350 EMA cross from the point of peak validation that we've talked about. Then we need to see price pulling back to the 50 EMA, which is the one in blue, and then get a candlestick reversal pattern. After getting a candlestick reversal pattern, we may make our entry and at least enjoy two more levels, or basically one levels. Like in this case, there was 2 levels to reach this particular point. This was a peak formation high, peak formation low that we've confirmed on the H4 time frame, and there was a 1350 EMA cross. After that 1350 EMA cross, we can see the market went to the upside, came back to the 50 EMA, gave us this retest and a candlestick reversal pattern, and the market went to the upside like that. In this particular case, we've said on the H4 time frame there is a shark fin, therefore we are waiting for 1350 EMA cross, and then after that 1350 EMA cross we will need to get a bounce on the 50 EMA and enjoy our drop. So basically this is how you trade the intraday 50. You can learn more on entry techniques in our Becoming a 7-Figure Traders program. I'll leave the link in the description box below. On that note, have a blessed day.